Hello everyone, this is Shilpa. Welcome to my channel Manifestation Hub with Shilpa. So in this video I'm going to discuss about the manifestation backed with the scientific things, and yes, all of you might have heard about the term called manifestation whenever you are looking for to achieve certain goals or your dream life or your happy life, etc. Or you might have heard about it regarding the mental health, or like how to see your dream life, etc., right? So in this video I will explain those all things in simple way, whatever the things I have learned in my journey. So what is exactly meant by manifestation? So first of all, manifestation means turning your desires into reality through your thoughts, beliefs and emotions. So it looks simple, right? It's like thoughts, beliefs and emotions. But yes, what thoughts we are having, what kind of belief systems we are having, and what kind of emotions we are putting into the universe are very much important. To put it simply, when you truly believe something is already yours and imagine it with certain emotion, the universe starts working to bring it to you. So that is how the manifestation is. So how does it works, and how can we combine with subconscious mind? And what is meant by subconscious mind? So you might have heard about the conscious mind, right? So generally if you are doing a new thing, we will be consciously doing that by focusing upon every minute thing, and we will be learning it. For example, in the initial stage of learning the driving, or when you first learn the bicycle, you will be consciously learning it, right? After a certain time, when you get to know the riding a bicycle, automatically you will ride that bicycle, right? Automatically you will be giving the brakes and these all the things. So when you learning that riding a bicycle or a new recipe, etc., you will be doing it very consciously. Okay, and once you are perfect with that, automatically you are going to do certain things. So this is how the subconscious mind works. So whatever we are putting into the whatever the things we are feeding every day, those things when done repeatedly, that will be observed by the subconscious mind. So whatever we are doing every day, like 24/7, the subconscious mind will store all the repeated thoughts and emotions. So it is also a part of mind which silently stores all your repeated thoughts and emotion throughout the day. Okay, so without we also won't realize it. So often certain time when you observe, we will be doing certain things which were repeated consciously actually. Okay, so this is what the subconscious mind is. And in certain cases, so if you think positively, like yes I can do, and you say it like repeatedly, yes I can do this particular thing, and you train your subconscious mind will show certain opportunities where you can excel those things with confidence. But whereas if you keep on telling I will fail, I can't do this, etc., your subconscious mind accepts it and brings more failure. So what I meant to say here is nothing is positive, nothing is negative here, nothing is good or nothing is bad. What we feed continuously, like if you want to grow a tree, we continuously water them. Okay, and suppose let's say our subconscious mind is like a garden. Okay, I'm just taking a reference from the book called the Power of Subconscious Mind here. Suppose let's say our subconscious mind is like a garden. So if you plant a good number of seeds of good plants, obviously good plants will grow, and if you are planting the weeds will be growing. Simple. So what I meant to say is, so whatever you are feeding to your subconscious mind, that will be coming into your reality. Okay, so yes, if you say I will be failing, yes, it will be accepting that and brings more failure. If you say I will succeed, it supports you by creating situations for the success. So manifestation is all about training your subconscious mind with the right thoughts and feelings. Okay, so how does it show up in the life? What are the signs that our manifestation is working? Okay, and I suggest you to try with small things in the initial stages. So I'm making this video for the beginners who are new to this concepts called law of attraction, or like what we say manifestation, subconscious mind, self concepts, and healing, etc. So I just want all the beginners to understand this, and then by applying in these small steps, gradually you will be able to know and understand it in well mannered way, and then you can apply for your bigger goals. So once you start manifesting na, you may notice signs like someone suddenly talking about your goal or that particular topic, okay, and you might be dreaming about your desires, or unexpected chances or unexpected opportunities might come on your way, and you might see angel numbers or the repeating numbers like 11 111 333 etc. I will be talking about these things in upcoming videos also. So these kind of signs you will be getting from the universe. So I might call it as universe, some might call it as higher self, and some might call it as God. So whatever name you wanted to give it, you can give. It's an ultimate power. Okay. So yes, whatever we are putting in, and we are going to get it from the universe. So these are the signs or the messages we will be getting from the universe, telling us that we are in the right path. So the science behind the manifestation. Yes, there is science behind this too. It's not like a time pass topic or anything. It's a real science based topic. Manifestation is a real science based topic. So the science behind this is, in our brain there is a system called RAS, okay, reticular activating system. So that filters information based on your focus, okay. So whatever you focus more, that will be stored in our subconscious mind. For example, if you decide to buy a car, you might be you might be looking for a red car or a black car or a white car, or with certain features, etc. For example, let's say for a simple example, I wanted to buy a red car, so I decided it to buy a red car, okay. So you suddenly start to see a red car everywhere. So just try this as an experiment and just comment your experience in the comment section. Definitely, whatever, suppose just try to experiment with a car, okay. So I wanted to see a white car, okay, white is a general color, let's go with a red car. So you will be seeing red cars everywhere. So that's a RAS in action, RAS in the action. So RAS is nothing but just it's a part of our brain which is called as reticular activating system. So when you do daily affirmations and visualizations, your brain creates a new habits and a neural pathways, okay. So this is a proven psychology and neuroscience. It's like a pure science. When we train and feed certain things to our brain, a new neural pathways will generated, and that will become a new habit, and which further helps us in manifestation of our desires. So manifestation is not a magic, it's a mix of our thoughts, emotions, beliefs and action. So we have to be clear about what exactly we want, okay. Whatever the desire it is, whether you want to buy a car or a dream job or a life partner or certain situation in your life or a happy life, or how you want to go through your day. So just have a clarity. Yes, we might come across certain uncertain situations, still we will be having that confidence to face that situation or go through that day. So just have the clarity, be clear about what you want, feel good about it, and take small actions or steps towards it. The universe will surely support you. So have a good day. For more videos on mind power, manifestation and success, positivity, etc., don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for being here. Have a good day.